Your neighborhood Do-It-Best store is your first and best choice for friendly service, expert advice, and innovative products like these. All right, this is for you contractors and high-end DIYers who have a lot of Romex to deal with. You know, until today, the only option for stapling this is a pocket full of staples and a hammer. I'm about to blow your mind. I'm with Patrick from DeWALT. Tell us about this new tool.
All right, so Evan, what we've got here is first of its kind. 20-volt cable stapler designed specifically for Romex wiring, like you pointed out, seen in a lot of residential construction. So probably the biggest feature here is this nice little gauge. Doesn't allow anyone to overdrive through the cable, even if it's double stacked. So let's do a demonstration, show you how it works.
So this is on your 20-volt platform, right?
Correct, 20-volt platform. Right now we've got over 200 tools on that platform. So it can go in and out of your drill, your string trimmer, radio, everything.
Awesome. We're going to power it up here with a battery.
Okay, and you just press and fire.
Seriously, that's it.
That's all.
So easy. And why is it so important? Just tell us again, why is DeWALT amazing?
Well, our tools are guaranteed tough. We've got the largest 20-volt platform on the market. So it's a great brand. It's well known, and you can't go wrong.
And anyway, you can't get this anywhere else anyway. So that's DeWALT. You've got to check this out. It's available at your neighborhood Do-It-Best. Do-It-Best is your first and best choice in home improvement with thousands of products available. Check them out today.